Station Singers. I'm back with another YouTube video. I haven't posted in a while, but I came to let you guys know that what I got for Christmas, here's a box of what I got for Christmas. I got this thing. Oh my god, it's the worst glare ever. No, I do need some sunlight, so let me push it up instead of down. So, wait, hold on. You can see the box behind me for clothes. I'm cheap. Okay, so I got a mannequin head for Christmas, and I do hair on it. Hold on, I'll be right back. Recently, just 10 minutes ago, I did this. Super cute, this is what I got for Christmas, And then I got this little Coco set. Let me set this right here, just in case I need to recommend it. Okay. This video, see? It's called a training head. See? Training head. It's a glare. Training head. So, yeah, that's what I got for Christmas. And yeah, so I've been wanting to do a lot of videos because, I'm me, okay? I am me! And if you don't know this, you better know this now. I am bisexual. You get it? I like girls and boys. My name is Steph. I like boys and girls. SCX. Yeet, I don't. That's gross. But we're here to talk about science. Science and technology. Very recommended for people 10 and up. If you know what I mean. I just turned 10 in October. Are you guys ready for New Year's? I'm gonna be doing New Year's Day. I don't know what today is. Hold on, let me check. Today is December 28th. Yes! Okay, so from this card in here, play card. Know what that is for. Okay, this book is super torn up because my sisters, they're 5. They're 5 and 6. Hold on, look. These just came flying out of the book. Man, get that out of here. I'm sorry, Dang Matt Smith, but I really like you because you say, man, get that out of here. That's copyright. I shouldn't be saying that. Introduction, you guys. I cannot read. I'm very, 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 very bad at reading. But just hear me, okay? Science is the study of physical world in order to understand it, how it works. Science is getting boring. Let's get on my laptop. Hold on. And I'm getting a new phone. I just want to blur it. I'm on my laptop. I'm literally making YouTube videos on doing hair a lot. I should have did a YouTube video on this. Man, this is about to die. Well, it's like bleach. I haven't been on this since forever. Hey, Corel! Yeah, that's my brother. Oh, hold on. whatever. I'm about to show you my Instagram. My Instagram is loves_7532. And shout out to Alejandra. That's my girl. You know, I'm about to tell her to go check me out, honey. Okay, that's copyright. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go tell her to go check me out. Okay. By the way, I'm on a laptop, so look smart lady. Wait, hold on. Oh crap! My password. It died. Oh well. More fun than this, anyways. I got fed and I got one booby. Yeah, honey. You shut the ball. And the pillow, and the pillow, and the... Hold on, let me change. I look hella tacky. Hold on. Enough, guys. So, I think I'm just gonna close this off right here. Might be making another video in like 20 minutes or so. But thank you guys, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Mwah!